Good day, everybody. Thank you for joining to the lesson number 2 of OneNote tips and tricks. I'm going to show you how you can get rule lines and grid lines to your note if you are using a tab. So this will be very much helpful to you if you use your pen to take the notes, and also if you are doing some drawings. So this will be very handy for you. So in order to get those lines, you have to go to view. Under the view, you can see lines. So when you click on rule lines, you can select whatever the type you want to have. Grid lines and rule lines, both options are available. And if you want to have those rule lines or grid lines for all the pages you are adding to your note, you can click on this, always create pages with rule lines, right? So let's select one, right? So this is how it looks like. If you want to change, you can go back again to the rule line and grid line option and select the appropriate one that you want to have. Okay, so then you can write it. So you can go to draw, you can select whatever the color and the thickness of the lines. Alright, so as I mentioned, when you tick on this always create page with rule lines, so then when you add a new page, the rules or the grid lines will come with your new pages. So thank you very much for watching this lesson number 2 of tips and tricks OneNote. Hope it is helpful to you. Kindly do a like and follow it, and also share this knowledge and the video as much as possible to multiply it. Thank you very much again. God bless you all. Have a nice day.